beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bukky and you're welcome to Bukky's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook seafood okra soup, which in Yoruba we would call ila asepo. So what I have here are the main ingredients for this. I have okra here, which has been chopped. I will be blending this very lightly because we want a coarse consistency. I also have the shrimps, which I'll be adding to that. I have here lobster, crabs, some snails, which I have cooked and fried. I also have here palm oil, and that palm oil is just about 3 tablespoonfuls of palm oil. I have here iru, which is also called locust beans. I have here chili flakes. Roughly you probably need about 2 teaspoonful or 3 teaspoonful, depends on whether you want it spicy or not. And I also have here smoked blended shrimps. I have for my spices, I've got here cubed Maggi cubes. I've got here chicken cubes, seasoning which you can get from your store. I've also got curry and salt to taste. So these are the main ingredients I'll be using to cook the seafood okra soup. So if you come along with me, let's get cooking. Right, so the next step would be to blend this very lightly, so it'll just be nice and coarse, and then it'll be ready for us to cook. Okay, so we'll just add some water, just a bit more water to be added. And so we'll just use that just to so that should be fine, and then we'll go ahead and start to cook this. Yes, so the soup has been cooking for about 20 minutes, so it's about time for us to now add the okra. About ready now. So, that looks just fine. That just looks about ready. So guys, there you have it, my easy to follow steps on how to cook seafood okra soup. You can have this with pounded yam, eba or semo because it's actually a draw soup. And if you have enjoyed watching this video, please kindly hit the like button and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.